Yeah. Yeah. Just fix the machines and don't break them.
I like Dr. Pepper.
Okay, we haven't been talking.
I want some pop. Where to give him pop?
Hey, all three of us are sharing. Junior, oh yeah, Junior, give me.
So Stephanie, me and
okay.
Well, they're sharing together.
No, we ain't.
You can't share with Safi, obviously.
I'm not sharing with her.
Yeah, just like we're gonna drink out of it.
When me and Safi shared, it wasn't a drink out of it. It was gonna pour some in a cup.
Yeah.
And someone was gonna get the can.
Put it on YouTube.
Look at the parrot.
Oh my god, that scared me. I thought it was real. I thought it was real. Oh my
Oh
god.
well, bye guys. Shine it over there. It looks cool. Okay, now what? Tell 'em we're at the vending machine. Cheetos. Now what?
You know,
You gotta upload.
I already uploaded
somebody videotaped it for me. Just can't look at me.
Flash it.
Just a minute, okay? Okay.
I like this house. I like that. See this thing right here?
I may have to do it again. No internet freaking here.
Look at his.
You download text now?
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Don't get my face in there.
That little one right there is going for fixing.
I thought it was going to preschool.
And she's going to.
You know what? You guys are stupid at making videos.
It's our first time.
We need to do one at
So you don't go like,
Putting
he going. You can't do facts about that because they can hack into your account.
Yeah, but we didn't tell them. Like,
We don't have any.
But it's, then you guys can't make one. Can't make it. You can. First, you have to make an account to make a YouTube video.
I already have an account.
You said you didn't even have an account. Oh, that burns my throat.